Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use picklists in Screen Flow in Salesforce. Picklists are incredibly useful for letting users select values from predefined options, making your flows more interactive and user-friendly. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to start a new Screen Flow. Begin by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface, then click on Setup. This takes you into the administrative area where you can build and configure your flows. Once you're in Setup, type Flows into the Quick Find box at the top left. This instantly filters your options, making it easy to locate what you need. Click on Flows from the search results. Now click on New Flow to start creating your flow from scratch. You'll see several flow types appear on your screen. Select Screen Flow, which is specifically designed for building interactive screens that users can navigate through. Then click Create to move forward with your Screen Flow canvas. Now open. It's time to add a screen to the flow. Click the plus icon that appears right after the start element. This opens up a menu of flow elements you can add. From here, click Screen. This adds a new screen element to your flow canvas, which is where your pick list will live. Type a label for the screen in the Properties panel that appears on the right. For example, you might call it Select Stage. This label helps you identify the screen when building more complex flows. Now you'll add the pick list component itself. Look at the left panel and click the Components tab if it's not already selected. This panel contains all the building blocks you can drag onto your screen. Find the picklist component and drag it onto the screen canvas. Once it's placed, click on the new picklist component to open its properties on the right side. Type a label for the picklist, something like Stage. This is what users will see as the field name. Verify that the component type is set to picklist, which it should be by default. Here's where it gets interesting. To use an existing Salesforce picklist field, click on Choice under the picklist properties. This is where you define what options will appear in your picklist. Click New Choice Resource to create a new set of choices. A dialog box will pop up asking you to select a resource type. Select Picklist Choice Set, which allows you to pull values directly from a Salesforce object's picklist field. Type an API name for the choice set, for example, Stage Choices. This name is used internally by Salesforce to reference this resource. Next, click the Object dropdown and select Opportunity from the list. This tells Salesforce which object's picklist values you want to use. Make sure to select Picklist on the data type. Now click the Picklist field dropdown and select Stage Name. This pulls in all the predefined stage values from the Opportunity object, saving you from manually entering each option. Click Done to save the picklist choice set. Give it a moment to process and save your configuration. Back in the picklist component properties, select the new picklist choice set in the choice field if it's not already selected. This links your picklist component to the stage name values you just configured. You can now configure some additional behavior. Check the required box if you want to force users to pick a value before they can click Next and move forward in the flow. This ensures no one skips this important step. Leave the default value empty if you want users to make an active choice rather than having a value pre-selected. Now it's time to save your work. Click Save in the top right corner. Type a flow label, something like Picklist Demo Screen Flow, and click Save again. This stores your flow so you can test and activate it. Before activating, always test your flow. Click Debug, then Run. This opens a test window where you can interact with your flow just like a user would. Check the picklist content to make sure it's displaying the correct stage values and functioning as intended. If everything looks good, you're ready to go live. Click Activate to make your flow available to users. Your screen flow with picklists is now fully functional and ready to streamline data entry in Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.